everybody. Welcome back to the MakeCode Arcade live stream. My name is Vivian. I'm at Livestream on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joey at J1Drill on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Shannon at Shakao on the MakeCode forums.
Shannon, where'd you get that dog emoji from?
I just searched the word dog and it came up.
I love that.
Emojis.
Wait, somebody better remove the animal tag from our stream today because we are not doing an animal related stream today. We are doing a music stream today. And so this is my idea. We will make a chord generator where every time you refresh, it'll show a new chord on the screen and it'll say like C7 or like G flat minor, and then it'll play it. Now, I think it doesn't sound, Joey, this is ridiculous. Wow. This doesn't sound very ambitious, but I don't think we've done like lots of music things like this before. So let's just do it. I'm going to just start making the staff. New variable.
Oh, are we going to be able to hear? Or
I shared audio with you guys.
Cool.
I think. Let's test though. Let's play. Wait, that's the wrong one. Music. Play melody.
Also, probably worth noting here that I think 2 out of 3 of us have little to no music experience, right?
Yes.
Is that accurate?
2,
okay.
me and Joey.
Unmute site. Oh wait, let me set the first things first. Let's make the volume lower because it's kind of high. Okay, let's do 50%. Or what is it usually at? Okay, I'll make it 30, and then I'll play this. Okay, now tell me if you can hear anything.
Yep.
I am a professional. Oh, we'll do the drag racing game probably when Richard's back tomorrow. I didn't want to pick up his game because I wasn't paying great attention yesterday because I was animating many things. Shannon, did you see our game from yesterday?
I did. I didn't quite understand how to play it, but I loved the different steeds. And
yeah.
The
Yes. Good. Okay.
I don't know if we knew how to play it either, just because we were focused on the steeds.
Yes.
And jockeys.
Great. I lost twice, and I was like, I don't know what's happening, but it was a good experience.
I think it's possible to win right now.
No, I don't think it is. Okay, so right now I'm trying to make lines that are evenly spaced. So these are 10 pixels apart, a little bit wonky. That's fine. And then I will use a marquee tool to copy and paste them until I have a full staff. And Shannon and Joey, I don't know. I think Shannon has some music knowledge. I don't know how little knowledge Joey has. But staff does not mean the people you are, helping run an event, This means like the lines, the thing that the sheet music is on. Okay, so let's make a treble clef.
It's also not
one
an
from
infection.
memory, Vivian?
Oh, heck yes. The swirl goes over the G.
What is going on?
What do you mean, what is going on?
Know what these symbols mean?
Oh, yeah.
I thought they were just hieroglyphs and nobody understood.
Now, one thing I don't know is the lines that go next to it. I think there's like there's like 2 dots and then like a line there, or maybe there's just lines there.
Okay. So the base one is a C, and that one has 2 dots. Does this one also have dots?
Oh, no. I meant like, so like usually when you have sheet music, it's like.
You've already lost.
Should I just grab some sheet music? Okay, I'm going to grab some sheet music. I'll be right back. Somebody enter the stream.
Okay. Yeah, the extent of my knowledge is when I rewrote the note picker, and I was like, oh, these numbers make big sound, and these numbers make low sound.
But you've been doing synthesizer stuff, right, Joey?
Yeah, I press buttons, and then it makes noise, right? Like that's it. I don't have any ability off of that. If we want to make a little button where you go like,
okay,
like I can do that. I can press buttons. I'm good.
Okay, so I brought my music. Shannon and Joey can't see it, but you can see it on the stream. There's no lines. I'm just going to create this without the sharps because that's kind of ridiculous. Okay.
Oh, wow.
So we're good. We're good. This book kind of came misprinted because the lines aren't even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's fine. Okay, so now we'll have a staff. Let's see. And then I'm going to just make a function, and it's going to be print note.
There's okay. Wait, so Joey, did you ever do like music class as like a in school or anything? Band, choir?
I mean, I did like a piano thing for like a year, but I never did more than like one song, and it was not good.
Wait, so you didn't have like required choir class or anything?
What did I get? How did I get out of that? That's a good question. It was either swim team or journalism that got me out of that.
Whoa,
Nice.
you were in journalism? That's so cool.
I was one of the editors of the school newspaper.
Wow, that was my dream.
I mean,
Were you in journalism?
I gotta take pictures.
Me, I was begging from elementary school to start a school paper. And every principal was like, next year, when you get to the next level of school, they have a paper. But something always foiled me until I hit junior high. And then they actually did have newspaper, and it was a monthly newspaper. And I managed to, we got into like a weekly paper, and it was awesome. Those were the best times. And then I went to high school, and then there was no newspaper anymore. Does this look like a music note?
Yeah. Is it? You're making one of the
I believe you if you told me you did.
ones.
Yeah. Wait, I should make I should just make it filled in. What am I doing? This is nonsense. Why did I think that there was a hole in it?
Sometimes they have holes in them, right?
Yes, probably. Thank you. Yeah, they probably do.
Maybe that's just when people are drawing it because they don't want to like fill it all in.
Exactly.
We can make up some deep lore here. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, the deep sheet music lore.
Okay. And so, what's the best way to Why is this?
Oh no.
Oh no. Why? Huh?
Note your name for your parameter.
Ah. Note.
That's a weird place to put the error
It's
message.
always a weird place.
It is. You're right.
Type
But
errors specifically always go on like they go on where you're trying to use the type instead of the assignment.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So I was thinking just doing a big if statement. Like if the note is C, then draw it here or put it here. There might be a better math way to do it. So if you guys know,
because you have to translate a string to a number, right? So you have to.
Actually, let's make an array, and it's gonna be a position of all the notes and where they should be, and then this will probably be useful in the future. Unsure. Actually, we can just do this with. No, okay, let's make an array.
You can make an array. Oh, you can make an array of the notes in order, and then you could use the index of the letter in that array as the multiplier for the offset.
Yeah, that was exactly what I was thinking. This is perfect.
Nice.
So this makes me feel like it's the right way to do it because we both came up with this. And also I was like, what are the no's? I don't remember, but it's just the alphabet in alphabetical order.
Wait, is it? No.
Yeah, but just like moduloed.
So what was the point? We had little like sayings to like remember. It was like all cows go to heaven or something.
Yeah,
Probably.
but that's like the spaces, right?
Oh, you're right. Yes, it is the spaces versus the line.
Get note.
You can tell that Vivian is a musician.
Yeah. But
I think Davix is right. I think it's Sedif-gak. Is that correct?
Okay, so now we're just going to return the index from, let's change this name to be like note names alphabetical. And then let's find index of here of note from note names alphabetical, and let's just return that. And then let's also let's figure out where the center of the C is. 80. Let's just say Wait, actually, it's this minus 10. So that's x and y, 76 plus 10, 86. Man. Okay, so let's set a variable bottom c y height. Oh man, these random letters are gonna be confusing. Let's make this 86. Okay, and then let's place the sprite, note sprite. Let's center it at 80. And then the y is going to be math. It's going to be bottom CY height plus the get note index of our note times 10. No, times 5. Because the lines are 2 notes. And we're going to add these together. Yeah.
A word you can spell using only letters that are also notes is beef.
Wait, have you seen that Louis Zong song where it's like different musical words? It's beautiful. It's very good.
We should have a lot of these, right? Because there's lots of those hex ones that we know. Like dead beef is another one.
Yeah.
Which is just beef plus dead.
Oh my gosh, maybe we should change it. Instead of a chord generator, we just play musical words
into music.
I'm super into it. Okay, wait. But if it's C, it also needs a line.
Oof.
Okay, you know what? We're changing our musical alphabet. We're going to shift it all up, except, and then we're going to put the C at the top so we don't have to, wait, A, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, there we go. So now it'll be, and then we have to shift this by 5. So that's 91. Nope, 81. Because we had to go up. And now C will be on the top of the staff. This should be a minus. Because Y is upside down. What's up, Joey? Ooh,
I know.
pretty.
It's a common debug word for dead beef, but it's also just a modular audio player for every like Linux-based operating system. So it's musical term too, I guess.
Musical word. And then it's going to be word. Okay, so we're going to loop over. Nope. This? I don't think I've done much text stuff. Okay, length of this word. And then we're going to print note. It's going to be get.
You're going to want a -1 for the for.
Oh, yeah. So I think it's substring. Char from I want this one. And then let's get a -1 before we burn ourselves. Okay, and then we're gonna get char from word at index, and then this is all both gonna be false. Oh yeah, we got to do our sharps and flats. Oh, okay, I'll do that too. Darling, it's you. Oh yeah, and let's call our function. I was not confused. I was just taking a moment to sing a song. Maybe I'll just do beef. Beef. That's an E. That's an F. That's beef. Yay. Okay, let's make this 9 by 9. Because our spaces between the things are only 10. This is not working. Should I make this a game? Should I be thinking of a way to make it fun?
I think it's fun to
if you try hard enough.
Yeah. If you want to make it a game, you should. But I think it's also fun, like, to try and come up with words and see what they sound like.
Okay, yeah. Sounds good. Cool. Oh yeah, we got to play the sounds too. Can't have.
Can we use some of the sounds that Klaus added, which I still need to put a thank you for in the docs, for if somebody puts in a sound that's not a valid note.
Oh,
So
yeah, I
put
love
in
that.
like a G or like a no G's a note, like a Z. It just gets an explosion.
Yeah, sounds good. Okay, so if what will get index of something if it doesn't exist? Return
Good one.
if it's not in there. Does that make sense?
If the character isn't, you mean like if the character's not in the array?
In the
it
array,
should be
yeah. It'll be what?
-1, just any value.
Oh, okay. So let's get the note index. Let's put it into a variable. This index. Oh, I'm leaving caps lock on. Get note index if this index is less than 0. Darling, it's you. Then, okay. And then the new block is here. Play sound.
So yes, that one is the last bunch of notes.
Which one do we want to do?
Maybe buzzer.
Buzzer. Meh. Okay. Sorry, you guys didn't need to hear that.
And I guess we probably want an else so that we don't just place one in the center of the screen.
Yeah. And then let's call our function. Play get note. No. Print note. Print note is our first one. Now let's play the most loved note Z. Wait, that's the castle. Oh, that's fine.
Nice.
Okay. Also, stream. Can you guys hear that? If you're in chat, let me know if you can or cannot hear, or if I should make it louder, because I can do that. Okay, so now, otherwise, we're going to play that note. I'm going to make another array for those because the math is weird. Set note. Yes. Set new variable note tones. And it's going to be these. And it starts with D. Oh, they're just numbers. Can I copy and paste these? Excellent. D, E. Oh man, but how am I gonna deal with the sharps and flats? Maybe I'll just fudge it. It'll be close enough. Maybe? Yeah, it can be sharp or flat. G. Maybe I should have looked up how like the tuning works and like what the equation is.
Yeah, like we'll get close-ish.
Yeah.
That can be the game. We could have a little mini game that you can go into where you have to like turn some knobs, and it just randomly adjusts the notes.
That's just tune. We'll just tune our meow bit.
Yeah.
A, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, and then we'll play tone, and then we'll just get value at note tones in all caps, and this index, and then we'll stop playing Z because that sounds silly. It makes us feel like we're bad at music, but that's not true. We're great at music. Okay, now let's see.
Hey!
That's not C, though.
Oh, is it not?
That's D. Wait, what happened? This index? That's D, right? Yeah, that's D. Bottom, C.
Oh, wait. So you're getting the value of the... Oh, I see. That's right.
Let's try a different one. Let's test all the notes, I guess. Let's try D. That's right. E. Wait, this is wrong. Where is my... There used to be something in here. I dragged it out. That's why. That's a my B. Now it will work. Okay, cool. Wouldn't it be cool if it was like in sequence, like do do do?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Print musical word. So let's do this, and then let's also pause.
Is there, if you go back to the music category, is there a play tone at blank for until done or something? Oh, rest for 1/2 beat. Does that work? I think
So
that's
does
just
that,
a
like,
pause
block?
internally.
But I feel like maybe later we might want to do like a chord. Maybe. Okay, let's see what the rest does. I guess maybe I should do two letters at a time. Nope. Leave me in a caps lock.
Awesome.
That was so cool. Okay, I'm just gonna put the rest in here because we're all about musical things, and also I'm gonna import not my favorite extension, arcade text. And then we're going to make functions. Yes, we're gonna make functions. Print music word. Yeah, it's gonna be a string music word. And then we're going to keep on calling it on the substring. Substring of this from 0 to index.
Wait, so print music word will do a chord, but print musical word does it?
Oh my gosh. So I was thinking this could be the text on the bottom. That would be like B.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I need to make it louder for the stream. Will that be okay for you guys?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll make it 62. Let's see how that sounds. Sounds okay for me. Well, stream, let me know. Shannon and Joey, let me know if it's painful. Substring of word from this to the index. And then here, better. Okay, cool. Let's make a text, right? And this is going to be new variable word. Yeah, my functions are very confusing. Hopefully we won't have to come back to this. And then let's set the text to be music word, and then let's reposition it in sprites. Word into 80. That's not centered on the screen, but that's fine. And then Y will be here. Okay. Let's just see how it looks.
Yeah.
That print music word. Did I do something wrong? I need to increase the Z. What? I'm calling it right here, right?
Oh, you
print
are.
music word and
Yeah.
print musical word. Why did I? Okay. Show text. This is not a sustainable lifestyle. Okay, so maybe I'll just make the text right. Max font height. This probably, and then I'll set the Z too. I'll set the Z to be like, okay, I'll set this to be 16 first, and then I'll set the Z. Word to be 20. And then we will see it. No. Okay, maybe it's...
You're doing, what is length? Oh.
Maybe let's just always do the link. Let's just print the length of the word first.
Can you put some longer words into your print note thing?
I wasn't calling this function. I feel like that's mini quarters. I feel like that's like 12 quarters. Man. Oh man. Beef. What? Why is it mad at me? Length of word. Let's just do this. And then it's mad at me because of good reasons that I understand. And I'm very sympathetic to this. Okay. Set word text. It's because I called it before I... Yes, that is very understandable why it would be mad at me about that. Okay. Now, it will work. Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
Because it starts at 0, so.
+1. I didn't read and I was like, oh yes, this is what index it wants to go to, but it's length. Okay, cool. B is also a musical word. Wait, this is...
Excellent.
I'm happy. Maybe I'd do the show text first and then rest. Okay, and now let's deal with the sharps and flats. Or maybe if we keep on doing the musical words. Okay, this is what I think. If the word is a word that we already know is a musical word, we'll also make a sprite and something will happen when we play that word. So I would like sprites for all the musical words you guys can think of.
Great.
Okay, cool. We're ditching sharps and flats because those don't exist. And I'm going to
They're like birds.
What size, Vivian?
32 by 32.
Okay.
Okay, maybe I'll ask for a string. And then this will be like in... Sorry?
I'm asking Joey which one he's doing.
I don't know that many. Let me look up hex words and then you can just add G to them.
Okay, I'm gonna do B then.
Yes, I am doing ask for a text. Oh, wait. Input the notes. Yes. B.
Is this?
Wait. Okay. I'll convert it to all caps. Sorry, Joey. What did you say?
Have that, so you might need to manually do it.
Okay. Cool. Compare.
You could very quickly go into JavaScript, make a function, a block that does this, and come back out.
No, I'm not comfortable. Okay, I'm just gonna make a function.
I'll tell you that I searched spell words using musical or words you can spell with musical notes, and the top result is absolutely terrible because it has A in capital, AAH.
What is this? Scrabble words?
Cheating.
Rude.
We have higher standards here.
True.
Oh, this is also bad. This is not as bad. Here you go.
I've started walking down this road and I'm thinking that maybe this was the wrong road to walk down, but there's only 4. There's so many letters in the alphabet. If. Okay. Yeah, no. I can't back down now. I can't back down now. This was a mistake. Okay, if it's equal to A. Oh my gosh. There's so many real letters compared to musical letters. Okay, return. Actually, I'm just, instead of an else if, I'm just going to do a regular if. So I can copy and paste it easier. Join big word and then A. Sorry, I was just thinking about how much I regret doing this. Okay, I need.
There's only 6 of them, right?
I want to do for all the letters so you can see your letters be failures when you input it.
Okay.
Get an and set them on fire.
Yeah. Okay. B. B. C.
We don't need to capitalize. We don't have to display them as capital, do we?
Ah.
You can only compare. We could just compare against capital and then display them in whatever capitalization they gave us.
Okay. Thank you, Joey. Oh my gosh. Save me from myself. D. I'm almost done. Yay. E. Nope. E. F. F.
Should probably have 2 uppercase and 2 lowercase blocks,
G.
or like a drop down of all 18 million of those different things.
Yeah, maybe a drop down. I don't think they're that common except for like us. I feel like people don't do a lot of string manipulation. I don't know if this is true or not. Chat can verify. Or...
Is it just because we were conditioned to do string manipulation?
Yeah. I forget, does JavaScript have all the weird ones too? I know Python has a bunch, but it's like to title case and like one that's snake cases.
Mm-hmm. I don't think JavaScript has as many weird ones as Python. I think it has maybe slightly different weird ones.
I realize it has to be an else if so I can add the lowercase letter back. I think this pains me because usually we pride ourselves on being a high efficiency coding stream, and this is low efficiency.
It's for the aesthetic though. It's important.
Yes, this game is all about the aesthetic. Okay, and then set big word to be meh. Join this word and then char. Okay, now we will only have big words. Let's just make sure this works. B. I didn't call it. That's another quarter. I was starting to call it, but I got distracted. Unsigned Arduino, I think nobody would mind, but I don't trust myself to go to the JavaScript and not get lost. So that's why I did this. Oh no. Okay. Call string to all caps. I got to return big word. Thank you for bearing with me. Now, B. Let's see it. B. Okay, next, what are we going to do? We're going to have a big if statement to see if this musical word is a word we know. And if it is, we're going to do things.
Vivian, I want to do a test. Can you figure out 2 7-letter long words you can do with musical notes?
2 7 long? Okay.
I'll have you know that the first letter, well, all but the first letter is the same for you. Wait. Yes, is the same for 2 of them. And the first letter are 1 off from each other.
First letter. Oh, so this is a riddle,
Wait, no,
Joey.
No, I just don't know how to talk. They're not the same. Do you want to know? I can just ruin it.
Jab. Yeah, just tell me.
Cabbage and baggage. They're definitely, that's what I was describing is definitely not accurate.
Cabbage? It's like they're flipped. Well, no, that's also wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, I love this. I love this.
imagining them much more closely together just because I think of cabbage when I think of baggage. That's just like an internal connection I'd have to make. Yeah.
Those words have
they have the same feeling.
Yeah, right? Yeah, the same rhythm.
They evoke the same. Yeah.
Yeah. Totally. Oh wait, is this shining mean I have sprites for me? Wait, Richard, are you maybe what is Richard talking about?
At chat.
Okay.
He really liked the idea, I think, because I shared a link with some musical words.
Ah, I see. If the word is equal to B, else if. Okay, let's Shannon, is this a B? Aha, yes. Let's make a bee sprite and let's make it fly across the screen. Oh, 32 by 32. Oh my gosh. A sneak peek of the bee. 32 by 32. Bee. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay. So let's spawn. I want to spawn mini bees because I love these bees so much.
I love this. I love there's like a different effect for each one.
And let's set their position to be at the right side of the screen because obviously they're flying left. And then let's put a random value for their Y. I guess I could have done a projectile. Projectile? No. I want to have them animate. Random. This is the most high quality musical words game you'll ever see. Yep. This is gonna be I'll make it a projectile type. And then let's bring in the animations. No need for extensions. And then let's do a path. And I know how to do this. Yup. Let's do a quadratic one. And it's gonna be -30, -10. Do I only need 2? Let's see. Now I have to input B in every time. B. Imagine doing cabbage. I don't want them to fly together. Okay, let's make them have a path. Let's loop it several times. Let's do a variable. And
I have a question.
Yeah.
I have a very strong reaction to this one. So I'm curious if you guys do too.
Yeah.
What color do you think of when you think of baggage?
Tan.
Blue?
Tan. Ooh, I thought it was gonna. I thought there was a chance. No, very strong red, just like.
Oh, whoa! Interesting.
Red. It stands out. So when you're waiting at the airplane thing, you can be like, "That's my bag right there."
My method is putting a ribbon on it, so then I can tell.
Ooh, that works too.
But don't tell anybody else, because if everybody starts putting ribbons on their baggage, then my method is less effective.
Yeah, what color is the ribbon?
That's like my password, like public key, private key.
Nice.
All about security in this stream. This is the wrong thing. I'm going to join. I'm going to custom make an animation path personally for each bee.
Strategy is to wait till everyone else has taken their luggage, and then the one left is probably mine.
That's a great strategy.
Or somebody just stole your luggage. One of the two.
Yes.
Okay, let's loop off. But why? Oh, there needs to be a space at this after there. Oh, and the other one too. Did not mean to make one of them feel left out. Okay, B. Okay. They're so aggressive. Okay. I don't know how to fix that, so I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, and then why are they stuck? Is this a wall?
Are they actually stuck or are they
Just not animating anymore?
Yeah.
I'm going to just have them destroy on wall. If they're not going to work. What?
Wait, did you make a town map?
No.
Walls only exist if there's a town map.
Yeah.
Can you make the path just like one note long?
Wait, one note. Wait, I don't get it.
Repeat 12 times, I guess, and then just destroy off screen instead of auto destroy.
I see. Auto destroy. I see. B.
Perfect.
I love it. Okay, so now we have bees. I want to make them project flowers off of them, but this is not egg.
Wait, what about hearts? Are hearts off the bee? Is that good enough from flower versus flowers?
Oh my gosh,
you can do hearts in one.
Oh, that's true. Okay, Joey, thank you. You're where? Okay, first let me find the block before I start saying random.
It's the top of the effects.
Top of the effects. Ah, thank you. You're our accountant, maybe. Wait, sorry. I need to place this block before I start saying random things. Okay. My sprites start. Hearts. Yeah, if we don't have the budget for, our games, you'll find it. You'll find the money for us. Okay. Now, else, if the word is egg, let's see what the egg sprite is. I'm so happy.
We could just import the entire egg game that Richard made.
Egg game? Oh, yeah!
Did you see the egg hatching game?
No, I remember.
Yeah. Okay. Egg. Oh. Okay. I think maybe this should be. Okay, we have to. Is there a splat sound effect?
There's an explosion sound effect, I think. I mean, there's a couple explosions. I don't know what else. What else could it be? You could maybe do a bunch of thumps in a row.
Mm-hmm.
Thump's pretty light though, I think.
That's fine. It's just an egg. Okay, what I want to do is have like an egg fall down and then splash open.
Oh man.
Okay, I'll do it. Yep. Not gonna be a problem. Let's do.
Well, if you do want to splash, then maybe an explosion is perfect.
Mm-hmm. Eggs are white. What am I doing?
Well, there are eggs of all colors.
That's true.
Don't let corporate egg farmers
Yeah.
convince you of something that's not true.
Sure. Yeah. That was big egg talking. Okay, let's start it off at 80 and then 0. Let's give it a velocity. Can I use timers for this? Maybe I'll use timers. I've never used timers before, unprompted by the rest of the team.
What are you going to use them for?
Just so that after this long, then I'll destroy one sprite and then replace it with this other one.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Okay, after 1 second, we're going to. Can I destroy it and then still have the position of it?
Yeah.
No? Okay. Yeah. Richard did that on stream yesterday, and I was like, oh, didn't know I could do that. Cool.
Yeah. It works. Until if you have access to the reference, it still works. Yes.
Vivian, I'm giving you a 2-frame animation.
For the egg?
Nope, for the next word I'm doing.
Shannon, thank you. We gotta have quantity, not quality here. This game, has the most oomph when we have a lot of musical words. We won't have any kind of reliability if they think we don't have a musical word dictionary programmed into the game. Egg.
If they come up with something we don't have it, it's gonna be sad.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna look like we don't know anything about words or music.
I know lots of words. I'm okay with words sometimes.
Let's make this 50 and let's make this 20. Okay, let's look at the egg one more time. Tea is not a musical word. Right? Yeah, it's not. Egg.
Maybe it's a musical word if you count a buzzer as music.
Buzzer? Maybe it's like 4 sharps put together. Okay, next musical word. We gotta, have that velocity if we're gonna ship this musical word game. Oh, cabbage! I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, what if I throw a cabbage in and then a bunch of rabbits come eat it?
Yes! Do it!
Okay, so let's make let's make a target place.
I think, is there a movement animation that's like bounce in?
Oh, that's a good idea, Shannon. Let's see. Animate with bobbing left, bounce, fly to. Let's just do a fly to center. It's easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. This was Shannon. You're also good at cutting the fat. Oh wait. No, what am I doing? I just need to repeat. I feel like I'm using the lesser loved blocks. Using a lot of blocks.
We don't use repeat as often, and we should. It's good.
We use it mostly, I feel like, when we want to do trail effects.
Mm-hmm.
Place this on random 0 to 160. Man. And then animate it with fly to center. And then let's pause. Wow, timers are so useful.
Mm-hmm.
After 1 second, let's make a bunch of rabbits. New variable, rabbit. I'll make a rabbit, don't worry guys. Unless if you guys are gonna make me a rabbit.
No, you should do it.
Okay, I'll make a rabbit.
I want to see a rabbit on par with that one you drew yesterday.
Oh my gosh, but that was a foreign rabbit, somebody who was fancy. Those rabbits are big and impressive. They're well known in their field. These are just regular rabbits who are hungry.
This is already such a good rabbit.
Oh, let's give it a tail. Otherwise, how will it know what's behind it? It's like a mirror. Yep. Production quality. Or no, quantity over quality. Production quantity.
Chat says that the word in the else if is still egg instead of cabbage.
Thank you. Cabbage. Yeah. Okay, let's do rabbit 2 to be flipped. Love. And then let's position them. And then rabbit is going to be on the right side. 160. And then Y is going to be 60. And this got to be rabbit. And let's do this, but with 0. And then let's do some movement animations. Rabbit with fly to center. for 10 seconds. Let's see how. So then they don't really fly. They kind of walk to center, maybe. Let's spell out cabbage. What I did.
No, the position for rabbit 2.
Here. Wait. This needs to be rabbit 2. Thank you, Shannon.
Yeah.
Before I committed to spelling out cabbage. Okay, cabbage. You're my human compiler.
Well, the
Oh no, they're the same colors.
I'll give them an outline, or maybe I'll make them.
You can make them white, and the tail be
yellow.
Yellow.
And they'll be white. Ah, beautiful.
I feel like it should have red eyes, though.
Oh yeah. I'll make this one have red eyes. Then you'll know they're different rabbits, you know. You'll look at this and you'll be like, wow, the attention to detail is insane. Okay.
Also, the slow coming in actually looks really, really good.
Okay, let's cabbage.
There's nowhere to run.
Yup. I think this is one of those situations where you're forced to innovate and you create something amazing, you know?
I think so.
Okay, we have a baggage. Is that what's next? Yes, baggage. Oh my gosh, we only have 8 minutes. Where did the time go? Okay, my priority now is just to bring in as many musical words as possible. Bagage. Okay, I'm waiting. Sorry. I'm going to just put it on the right and it will zoom across to the left.
With an effect.
Trails. Fire. Plenty of effects. Shannon and Joey.
Fire, because Joey made it red, right?
Oh. Okay, let's see. Open, please. Thank you. Oh, yes, definitely.
Oh, nice, Joey.
And then we'll set the position. Speed coding. 160. It'll be at like speed 100. And then we're going to bring out an animation. Mice right, with ease, left, for 200. And then we're going to do the effect, which is at the top of effects. Thank you, Joey. And it's going to be start fire effect. Okay, now let's do it. What?
So the first thing you think of when you think of baggage is just a trash fire?
No, it's the fire of going fast.
Press B.
Is there B?
Press B.
No.
Oh, I just went back one.
I think
I think it has a bug where it like queues a bunch of them in a row right now.
That was a beautiful song.
Oh, it doesn't go far.
I'll go farther.
It's just on fire in the middle of the
Yeah, that's fine.
I think this is fine.
Wait, Shannon, did you make the word frame?
No, I'm not telling you the word. It's just the 2 frames. You have to put it in.
But we won't be able to. Okay. Oh, yeah. Sure. Okay, we're gonna make a mystery sprite with nothing, and then we'll bring out an animation block. Oh my gosh, I love mysteries. 32. Let's bring it in. Frame 1, which is not a musical word, but rabbit hat, cab.
No, do the second one.
Okay, I'll do the second one.
Cap dad cap.
Oh, I'll turn onion skinning off.
Dad?
It's dabbed.
Okay, I have have a vision. I want to make the bunny come in from the bottom, and then once it hits the center, we'll have it dab. I'm dead.
Time and I can't tell. Is the just burning it is fine in response to dabbing?
I think it's the like it. I think they're a little chat is a little the video is a little delayed.
Yeah.
Oh no. Set
Oh,
position.
Javik says we can do screen shake, which I agree with.
Oh, for the stab. I love it. Okay.
We should force ourselves to use screen shake once per stream from now on.
Agree. Negative
Like
30.
50 or something?
Yeah, so you don't even
30.
need to animate it. You can just set the image and do like a yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I'm down. Okay, and then let's set the velocity back to 0. I think that, it's all about the effect. And if we give them the dab right away, it's not as effective. Set the my sprite image to frame 2. Okay, I'm so excited to see this. Oh no. 32 by 32. Okay, let's do it. I love this one more because it's a short word too. I need this to be 2 separate ones. Dabs are usually like violent, and aggressive. Oh, and it's the screen shake. Almost forgot. Is that in scene?
Yeah, scene. Under
Cool.
at the very bottom.
Do you want this to be 2 seconds after it starts at dabs? Because you'll need to put it in the other one or something then.
What?
Because these will both run at the same time.
Oh, I do want. Oh, I see. Thank you, Joey. Oh, I should have put it inside. I see. Okay, dab. Okay, these are all our musical words. So
It's good.
But I would say, and I think probably anybody would say, that this is not a complete dictionary. This is not a complete collection of all the possible musical words. So I'm gonna post this to the forum, and I request that people add more musical words and effects to the game afterwards, so that one day we will have a complete dictionary. This is my
If we
dream.
have a minute, we might have time to do something a little bit nice and make it so the dots all go across. Because that should only take a minute, right?
Wait, like from
So
left to
they're
right?
all the same.
Instead of
Yeah.
a chord. Sure. So let's, okay. Variables, X so far.
Perfect.
Let's make it 0, and then print it at, where did I print the note? Print the note. Did I collapse that function? Okay. Print note, and then put it at X, and then let's do math. 80 plus X so far, and then let's change the X so far by 5, 8. No,
They were 9 by 9.
Oh, yeah, 8 will be nice then. Okay, then let's do our favorite word, because it's so long to see. Yeah. Edgy says.
Nice.
This is great. This is a great idea, Joey. And let's shift it over a little bit to be like 60?
60?
50?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do 50.
I have no idea. In the notes, do they typically overlap, or should there be room between them? I guess is the question. That's a Vivian question, because you have musical notes.
I think we can. Well, this will be okay. I think this will be great. I think it looks very professional. So thank you everybody for joining us on this musical journey. Hope you learned things. My name is Vivian. I learned many things can be spelled with musical words. My name is Vivian, which is not a musical word, and I am at Live Cheerful on the. Oh man, if Live Cheerful, the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joey at J Wonder on the MakeCode forum, and I learned what cabbage sounds like. That's good.
I'm Shannon at Chicago MakeCode Forum. And I learned Joey's default color for baggage.
Yes. Okay. I'm going to post this as quickly as I can. Please mod it on the forums. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye.